Hello and welcome to KLM Institute.
Today we are witnessing a massive earthquake in global trade that will change the Indian economy forever. In a historic phone call between Prime Minister Narendra Modi and US President Donald Trump, a deal of the century has been reached. The biggest takeaway: India's tariffs on American industrial goods are crashing from 13.5% all the way down to 0%. In return, the US has slashed its reciprocal tariffs on Indian goods from 25% to 18%. This is not just a policy change, it is a financial goldmine. We already saw the Indian stock market explode, with investors getting richer by over 12 lakh crore rupees in a single day. For sectors like textiles, jewelry, and pharmaceuticals,
clear your doubts online in second with best subject experts of IBDP, IGCSE-AS-A level, advanced placement and SAT only at KLM Institute.
The doors to the American market are now wide open, potentially creating millions of new jobs and boosting our MSMEs to a global level. However, this deal comes with a massive strategic shift that we need to look at closely. President Trump has claimed that India will stop buying Russian oil and instead pivot toward US energy sources. This is a high-stakes move. For decades, India has maintained a delicate balance, keeping Russia as a reliable energy and defense partner. By leaning so heavily toward the US, India is signaling a new era in its foreign policy. This energy swap helps India avoid US sanctions and secures a zero-tariff future, but it also puts a strain on the long-standing Moscow-Delhi bond. Furthermore, while the US gets cheaper access to our industrial markets, India has smartly kept its defensive shield up for our farmers, ensuring that sensitive sectors like dairy, rice, and sugar remain protected from an influx of American products. When we look at the bigger picture, this deal is a clear message to China. As the US looks to de-risk from Chinese manufacturing, it is choosing India as its primary alternative. This creates a massive opportunity for India to become the world's next manufacturing hub, but it also increases the heat in our relationship with Beijing. We are essentially choosing a side in the global trade war. While the benefits of 0% tariffs are incredible for our GDP, we must be prepared for the diplomatic friction this causes with the Russia-China axis. It is a bold, India-first strategy that prioritizes economic growth and American technology over old-school geopolitical neutrality. This deal is a massive win for the Indian middle class and the corporate sector, but the real test will be how we navigate our neighborhood tensions while fueling our future with American energy. Thank you for your valuable time. Please do support us by subscribing, sharing, and liking.